Working process Eunisse Age Defying Serum. How Eunisse functions as indicated by their site is that it professes to convey supplements to the skin through its uncommon recipe. It utilizes something many refer to as Biofil Spheres to convey the hydration to the skin. And despite the fact that this sounds inventive, there isn't much research online into what precisely the Biofil Spheres are other than an approach to time-discharge the supplements and moisturization. Fixings list. Eunisse Age Defying Serum has a couple of key fixings in addition to its own exclusive fixings. Here's somewhat more on the fixings that are recorded and what they accomplish for the skin. Collagen This is a protein for the skin that is comprised of an amino corrosive. As we age, collagen separates in our skin and this makes it have less versatility and be less firm. Collagen is the fundamental fixing to help firm up the skin. Cancer prevention agents. Antioxidants work to help reduce the impacts of free radicals on our skin. These free radicals, for example, contamination, cause those little barely recognizable differences and wrinkles to appear, and this attempts to check that. Nutrient C. Vitamin C works in an assortment of approaches to support the skin, yet a couple that is extremely critical is that it enables the skin to look more brilliant by restoring the appearance, and it likewise enables the skin to stay shielded from things like air contamination and sun presentation. Peptides are a noteworthy part in helping support the collagen level in the skin. This switches the indications of maturing by influencing the skin all the more firm to have greater versatility and give help to diminishing skin that happens when one ages. Eunisse Pros. It has fixings that are known to help switch the indications of maturing. Just as exclusive fixings, it makes the skin all the more firm. With the utilization of collagen, it helps make the skin look more brilliant, which makes it look more youthful. It enables the skin to get more hydration and functions as a lotion. Just as an enemy of maturing item Eunisse Cons, it is just accessible online through preliminary offers, which can now and again be difficult to escape. When you pick the auto-pay choice, there is no data on the exclusive fixings or what they accomplish for the skin. Vital features. The most vital highlights of Eunisse Serum is that it has numerous fixings that are known for helping the skin switch the indications of maturing. These are altogether regular fixings and the restrictive fixings are obscure, yet the depiction of how they work is noteworthy. Safety measures. Similarly, as with any new item you are utilizing around the facial zone, ensure you don't get in your eyes and quit utilizing it on the off chance that you experience any negative impacts, for example, delayed redness or rash. Symptoms. There are no known symptoms of this item.